Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ashley, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be all about my hair and this summertime fine curly hair unit from Sunber hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply it with this Walker's lace tape glue. So first things first is foundation. So under here I have some crusty musty ass braids that are 3 months old. Don't judge, okay? And I have this wig cap and I have it tied down in the back because I got a PZ ass head, and I swear to God it gets smaller and smaller every day, not even lying. But to kind of freshen up the brown on the cap, I'm taking this L'Oreal Magic Root Spray from Target. I'm just going to be darkening that up just a little bit, and I'm taking a cotton ball just to kind of wipe down all the excess spray that I got on my skin. So while this is meant to just clean off all the excess hairspray that I got on my skin, this could also be used as, you know, prepping the skin for lace adhesive. This is doing both, so it's like you're killing two birds with one stone. I'm going in again one more time because all that nastiness just kind of freaked me out. So I'm going to go in one last time to make sure that everything is gone. Alright, so it's time for the star of the show. This unit is from Sunber hair. It's the Brazilian curly. I installed 4 units for 4 inches of 22 and a 22-inch frontal, and I made it into a wig. This hair is so bomb. I've been wearing it for about a month and a half now, and I have no complaints other than shedding. This hair does shed a lot, but as you guys could see, it's still very full, so I can't really complain for that yet. But as you guys can see, these curls are so nice and voluminous and bouncy, and this is with no product, as I want to mention. I just washed and conditioned and air dried it. It's still air drying as we speak, but it's so bomb. And now I'm just going to tap my head. I'm seeing whether that hairspray I applied on the cap is completely dried, and when I see that it is, I'm just going to plop my wig on, adjust it, and getting ready to style it. So I'm just gonna play around with it and just adjust it to my head, and then I want to show you guys right here that the curls in the bundle are a lot tighter than the curls in the frontal. My personal opinion is that I like the curls in the frontal better, but I'm just showing you guys that these do have separate curling textures. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab 2 clips just to clip this back, and then I'm going to kind of measure the lace to my head and just try to see where I want the lace to lay down. I messed up here because I cut this lace extremely uneven. I was in a rush when I first cut the lace off, which is what you shouldn't do, and I just cut it off, and I cut the left side of the lace extremely short. You guys will see what I mean. I mean, it still looks like wearable, it still looks pretty good, but I'm just letting you guys know that it's not perfect for that reason. Alright y'all, so you guys just saw me cut off some of the excess lace off the front of the frontal. I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm going to keep trimming as I please, and I'm doing this so the frontal could lay down a lot more naturally. And then after I'm done with this, I'm just going to measure around my hair to see if I like the way it's looking, and yes I do. This looks really good. It lays down really flat and it lays down really naturally. So after I'm pleased with how it looks, I'm just going to fold this back and try to begin my lace glue application. And y'all, yeah, this glue is like heaven and hell in one bottle. It's heaven because it really does the job when it says it sticks down for 6 weeks. This glue will stick down for 6 weeks if you put it on correctly. But the hell part is just that this glue is so messy. Look at the string, like this glue is so messy. As you can see, the bottle isn't even closed correctly because there's so much glue piled around it, and it's just, this is the waste one. It's the waste of glue, and also it gets everywhere. This glue is so strong, it sticks to tables, my hands stick together, and it's just so annoying. But the applicator is useless, so I'm going to be using a popsicle stick to apply this on my head, mainly because it's disposable and I can just throw it away after it's done. I don't have to keep it in the bottle. So I'm gonna use the popsicle stick and just dip it in there and apply the first layer, and then I'm going to just start in the middle and then go to the sides, and then I'm going to wait a little bit and apply the second layer. Now I do want to mention that this glue has a very strong smell. The smell is very similar to acetone, which is kind of like nail polish remover, so don't be alarmed when you do smell something similar to that. But I also recommend that you do a patch test with every new product that you buy. Personally, I didn't do a patch test, but I have very strong skin. I have yet to break out or anything like that, but this glue is very strong, and that concerns me because I don't think we should be putting anything that smells like acetone so close to our face, something so strong. Yet here I am showing you guys how to do this. So
5 minutes later.
Yeah, once that is on my head, after 5 minutes, I'm just gonna kind of tap on it to see if it's sticky enough. And once I get that, like that drawback feeling, it's time to apply the wig. So personally, this is the hardest part for me, especially with this glue, because this glue, there's no applying and reapplying. Once it's there, it's there. So you got to be careful and make sure that where you want the wig is where you want the wig, because wherever that wig is placed, the wig is staying. So I'm using a rat tail comb to kind of guide it, so it's a little bit easier. But as you can see, this glue, it literally melted the lace on my skin. Once I use that comb to push back the glue, it's gonna look a lot better. But yeah, that's basically it. This is on for a while, guys. This is it, and I'm just gonna pull on it just a little bit to see if it's stuck, and as you can see, it is stuck. So now I'm taking some alcohol to just clean the excess glue that didn't make it on the lace. And then I'm going to be taking a scarf, my I Love Jesus scarf, because I love Jesus, and tying my head down just to secure this in place. So after the glue is done marinating on my head, I'm just going to be taking this Cantu mousse. I'm just going to be applying this on the top of my frontal. I'm just going to use this to push all the hairs back. There are some hairs that got caught in the glue that I'm just going to use to loosen that up and comb it back. Now I'm taking that same rat tail comb that you guys saw me use in the beginning. I'm just going to part my hair to the side this time. I've worn it on both sides and in the middle parts, but today I'm going to be putting the part on my right hand side, and I'm just going to clean up that part, and then I'm going to spray the hair with water to kind of get rid of all this frizziness, and then I'm going to use my hands to just zhuzh it up. Now I'm taking my favorite hot tool, my hot comb. I'm just going to be pushing all the hairs back in the front, mainly because I want that bump effect. But this tool is literally a staple in my supplies because I use this hair on curly hair, wavy hair, straight hair, short hair, long hair, anything, you name it. This tool will always come in handy. So as you guys could see, I'm just running it through the top to kind of flatten this out just a little bit. And yeah, after that I'm going to apply some got to be glue gel on my edges just to fix it up just a little bit, because I kind of like the whole no edges look with this wig. So I'm just going to kind of fix it up in the front just a little bit and on the side, and then I'm going to slap that I Love Jesus scarf back on to kind of hold this down. Okay, so I'm a liar. Before I put on the scarf, I'm going to apply this wax stick that I got from the beauty supply store. The name will be in the description box, but this is just to hold on any flyaways in the wig. So I'm adding just a little bit more water to my hair, and at this point I wanted to show you guys the product that I usually use on my head. I used two Cantu products. This one is the curling custard for defining and shine, and the curls look like that on the left. And I also used the same Cantu wave whip that I used before on the entire hair, and in my opinion these curls look so much better. As you guys could see, those curls were popping that day. As of today, I'm gonna let the hair air dry for today, and honestly the way it looks air dried, it kind of mimics like a twist out hairstyle. Not complaining, it looks a lot fuller, it looks really cute. But yeah, I'm gonna let this hair air dry, and yeah, that is the Sunber hair unit. The only issue I really have with this hair is the shedding, and the fact that the bundles and frontals have two different curling patterns. But hey, you get it how you live it. I'm not complaining about it, but I'm just here to state the facts. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next one, and thank you much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace to the Middle East, bitches. I just wanted to mention that in this clip my lips were so dry that I could barely smile, so I had to like keep practicing the smile and the wave goodbye. But yeah, I'm a dry bitch. Anyway, subscribe down below guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.